Welcome to the Syncfusion Code Studio tutorial. Code Studio is an AI-powered integrated development environment that helps you build applications faster using intelligent code assistants, automated workflows, and real-time suggestions. In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure Code Studio, connect it to the enterprise server, and build a fully functional JavaScript weather app using its powerful AI features. Let's get started. I open the Code Studio homepage and click the Get Started Now button. It takes you straight to app.sfcodestudio.com. You can sign in using 4 options: Google, GitHub, Syncfusion, or Microsoft accounts. If you already have an account, you can sign in. If not, complete the quick sign-up process and then log in. Look here, the enterprise server page is now open. Here, you'll find the option to download the Code Studio IDE, available for both Windows and Mac. Simply click the download button based on your operating system. Once the setup file is downloaded, install it to get started. Now, launch the Code Studio IDE. To connect it to your account, click the account icon in the top right corner and complete the sign-in process via the browser window. Once signed in, your workspace is connected to the enterprise server. After completing the installation steps, make sure AI access is properly set up in the IDE. To use AI features, you can either activate a subscription or configure your own API key model. If you're using a subscription, open the chat panel and send a request. If your subscription is not active, Code Studio will prompt you to upgrade. Once activated, you can start using the built-in AI models. Alternatively, you can add your own API key model. Click on the Model Selection dropdown and choose Manage Models to open the Language Models page. Then click Add Models. Select your preferred provider such as OpenAI or Anthropic. Enter a group name and provide your API key. Since the subscription is already active, I'll skip the API key configuration step here. Once a model is added, it will be listed on the Language Models page under the specified group. You can hover over the model and enable it using the eye icon. After enabling, the model will appear in the Model Selection drop-down under Other Models, where it can be selected to start sending requests. After configuring either a subscription or an API key model, you're ready to start using AI in the IDE. Now, let's build a weather app. Before proceeding, it's important to understand the AI Assist features available in Code Studio IDE. Code Studio provides Ask, Plan, Agent, and Edit modes, along with the Autocomplete feature. In this video, I'll use these features to build a dashboard efficiently. First, I'll use Ask mode. Ask mode lets you ask questions and get quick explanations or code examples without modifying your project files. So, I'll update my question as, I want to build a small JavaScript app that fetches current weather data using an API and displays it on a web page. As you can see, the response breaks the requirement into simple steps, giving me a clear understanding of how to proceed. Before generating any files, I'll move to Plan mode. I then provide a prompt that outlines the weather app requirements and implementation details. Plan mode acts like a planning assistant. Instead of writing code immediately, it analyzes the request and creates a structured plan. I can review the draft plan, refine it if needed, and once I'm satisfied, start the implementation directly from the plan. Code Studio automatically switches to Agent mode. Agent mode uses an intelligent AI agent that understands the goal and handles the development work end-to-end. It creates the required folder structure and generates the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files for the weather app. Once the agent finishes, you can see the newly created project files. To run the app, in the File Explorer, double-click the HTML file. The application opens, and you can see a fully functional weather dashboard ready to use. Now, let's improve the app by adding weather descriptions and icons. To make these changes, I use Edit mode. I provide a prompt describing the required changes. Edit mode allows precise, targeted code changes. Code Studio generates suggested edits and highlights the added and removed lines. I can review each suggested update and click Keep to apply the change or undo to discard it. Once applied, the changes are immediately reflected in the application. Next, let's fine-tune the styling for the weather app. This is where the Autocomplete feature comes in. First, open Settings. Go to Code Studio Settings and enable Autocomplete. Then, open the Change Completions Model option and select the desired model. Here, intelligent code snippets are suggested in real time, making the editing process faster, smoother, and more efficient. Let's wrap up this video. In this video, I showed you how to install and configure Code Studio and connect it to the enterprise server, and build a fully functional JavaScript weather app using its powerful AI features. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.